Hello students, today we're gonna talk about cyberbullying. Before we continue, I would like you to take a moment and think about the word cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? Do you know? Think about it. What is cyber? What is bullying? Cyber one is online computer. Bully is someone that makes people sad, mad, and angry with their harmful comments. It hurts or embarrasses another child online. A more deep definition is cyberbullying is bully that takes place over digital devices like cell phones, computers, or tablets. Cy- Cyberbullying can occur through text and apps or online in social media, forums, or gaming where people can view, participate in, or share content. What is it is about? Cyberbullying includes sending, posting, or sharing negative, harmful, false, or mean content about someone else. It can include sharing personal or private information about someone else, causing harmful or humiliating. What can we do to help? Remember that being mean to people is not funny. You must always think about what are you going to do before taking an action. Do not use the internet and social media when you are mad at someone. Anything that happens on the internet stays there. The fact that you do not see it, it doesn't means that it is gone. Everyone's feelings are important. You must respect them. Now it's time to put our knowledge to the test. We are going to watch another video about the power of words. It's a 3-minute video, and then we're going to do this assignment. It's just 3 questions about the video and the presentation that I just gave you. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Bye.